10 square gives us 100. 5 over 10 times 100. 0 and 0 cancels out each other, leaving us with 5 times 10, and 5 times 10 gives us 50. 50 divided by 50, that gives us 1, but this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operators present, but we also have exponent present. And as per the rules, exponents have higher priority than multiplication and division. So let's solve this exponent first. 10 square gives us 100. Our expression simplifies to 50 divided by 5 over 10 times 100. Now if you notice, we have division and multiplication operators present in this expression. According to the rules, we must work from left to right, so we must solve this division first. Now if you notice, we have 50 divided by 5 over 10 in front of us. This is a fraction. This is 50 divided by 5 over 10. This is not 50 divided by 5 divided by 10. It's different. So when a number gets divided by a fraction, what we do is we apply KCF rule. Keep, change, and flip. Keep means we keep 50 as it is. Change means we change division operator to multiplication operator. And flip means we flip the fraction from 5 over 10 to 10 over 5. And we have times 100 present from the original expression. Now let's simplify this. So we must work from left to right, as we know now. So 5 and 50, they both are divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. And 50 divided by 5 gives us 10, which means we have 10 times 10 times 100 present in front of us. And 10 times 10 gives us 100. And 100 times 100 gives us 1. We have 2 zeros from here and we have 2 zeros from here. So 10,000 is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.